The Reolink POE doorbell. Not as easy to install as YouTube videos make it to be. Welcome back to Not Just Photography. Once again, I'm Anton Ng, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's talk about the Ring POE video doorbell. Don't let the YouTube videos fool you and tell you how easy it is to install the doorbell. Let me give you a step-by-step detailed instructions on how to install the hardest parts of installing the Ring POE video doorbell. Now let's go on to the video. Now let's start by turning off the power to your transformer, and then locate your transformer and disconnect the two wires. Now we'll take your old doorbell wires, attach it to your network cable, and pull it to the door. Now it's time to disconnect the wires from your old doorbell. There'll be two wires, one going to the doorbell button and one going, in my case, to the basement. Disconnect all the wires and remember which one goes where. Now gently pull on your old doorbell wires and gently pull the network cable up to the location where your old doorbell charm was. Now to locate where your old doorbell buttonhole is, open the door and put a piece of tape on the inside. Now with your reference mark of the tape, you can cut a small hole in the drywall and snake the tape to the doorbell buttonhole. Now you have two options. You can either attach your network cable to existing wire from the doorbell buttonhole, but warning, this may get caught in the hole. Or you can just snake it to the doorbell buttonhole by cutting a hole in the drywall. Now it's time to go outside and unscrew the two little screws and disconnect the doorbell button. Now it's time to make a groove in the wood to house the network cable. Remember, do not make a hole right through the wood. Just make a groove big enough to house the network cable. Now a small groove like this should house the network cable. Now with the network cable hanging out of the wall, you need to hook on the RJ45 jack and terminate it. You might need a computer nerd to help you with this. Now before you hook on the doorbell to the actual steel plate, plug in your network cable and test and make sure the doorbell works first. If the doorbell is working, you should see a blue light up indicating there is power. Press the doorbell to test. Now on to the installation of the brackets that will hook on to the Ring doorbell. If you need to install the wedge, you need to screw the wedge to the wood first, and secondly, install the steel bracket to the wedge itself. Now here's an important notice. The bracket and the wedge are designed for a flat surface to be installed on. If you don't have a flat surface, my suggestion is to plug up that hole in the wall where the wire comes out so the bugs will not get in. Now it's time to install the Ring video doorbell. Line up the doorbell with the top of the plate, hook it into the plate, gently pull down and snap inward. Good job, you're done now. Once again, thanks for watching Not Just Photography. Don't forget to like and subscribe.